creators, welcome back to my channel Crochet, where we explore the endless world of crochet. If you are looking for inspiration to create stunning crochet tops that are colorful, stylish and uniquely, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I am sharing over 1000 ideas for crochet tops with different colors, designs, style and pattern that you can make for any occasion. Let's get these hooks ready and dive in. Let's start with color combination. Whether you are into pastels, bold hues or neutral shades, there is a perfect palette for every crochet top. Try vibrant summer color like coral teal and sunflower yellow for a bright bold look. For a softer touch, pastel shades like blush pink, mint, green and lavender. Now mix your pattern play with strips, ombre fade or color blocking. One of the hottest trend right now is using multicolored yarn to give your tops a unique, almost watercolor effect. Don't be afraid to experiment, let your personality shine through your color choices. Now let's talk about style. Whether you are into crop top, halter necks, bralettes or flowy boho blouses, crochet tops have endless possibilities. Try a cute halter top for weekdays or a relaxed boho inspired of the shoulder top for summer festival. For more elegant look, crop lace top with intricate stitch design. Speaking of design, here are few crowd favorites. Granny square top for that timeless vintage look. Mesh or open stitch design to keep things light and breezy. Floral crochet outfits for a romantic feminine touch. Want to make your top truly one of a kind? Here how to add some personal flair to your crochet top. You can add fringe or tassels to them hem for a fun boho vibe, or try adding beads or ribbon to your stitches for a bit of sparkle. And don't forget about adjustable straps for a more tailored fit. Remember, crochet is all about creativity, so let your imagination run wild with different types, shapes, texture and details. Before we wrap up, here are few quick tips to keep you in mind when creating your crochet top. Gauge your yarn and hook size properly to ensure a perfect fit. Don't be afraid to mix yarn types. Blending cotton with bamboo, for example, gives your top a unique texture. And finally, always keep a notebook handy to keep sketch new ideas as they come to you. So whether you are looking to create something bold, delicate or totally original, the possibility for crochet tops are endless. From vivid color palettes to playful pattern and custom embellishment, you can easily make a top that reflects your personal style. That's it for today's video, creators. I hope you are living with tons of inspiration for your next crochet top project. If you love these ideas, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crochet magic. Also drop a comment below with which style you are excited to try next. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy crochet. Hey beautiful creators, welcome back to my channel. Crochet, where we explore the endless world of crochet. If you are looking for inspiration to create stunning crochet tops that are colorful, stylish and uniquely, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I am sharing over 1000 ideas for crochet tops with different colors, designs, style and pattern that you can make for any occasion. Let's get these hooks ready and dive in. Let's start with color combination. Whether you are into pastels, bold hues or neutral shades, there is a perfect palette for every crochet top. Try vibrant summer color like coral teal and sunflower yellow for a bright bold look. For a softer touch, pastel shades like blush pink, mint, green and lavender.